you Asian, you can skip this video. Put it in the pocket of this hand. You're gonna take your ring finger and you're gonna place it right here. This is how you hold the bottom chopstick. The top chopstick is held by your index, middle, and thumb, like a trifecta. This is how you hold chopsticks. So the bottom chopstick doesn't actually move. It moves when your hand moves. It's actually the top chopstick that moves independently. Think about a crab claw. Only one of the thing moves in a crab claw. The same idea with the chopsticks. Your line of sight is actually the bottom chopstick. You line up with the bottom chopstick first, and then you grasp with the top one. And that's how you use chopsticks. Okay?
Alright, I've already done a chopstick tutorial, but I guess I'll do another one. That was kind of a while ago. So basically, you take your chopsticks, you put them like this. So your index finger, and then, I don't know, like that. And then basically you just, yeah. And then dip the sushi.
Or you can do it wrong like me. Wrong.
Even
Crossed.
my mom does it wrong.
Crossed and middle finger, all wrong. But it works good.
Hello. If I make this most perfect loop and teach you how to use chopsticks, you're gonna follow me. How I hold chopsticks. You need a hand and one chopstick. Hold it with your ring finger and thumb. Second one, I hold it with my middle finger. So basically, just move the top. The bottom one doesn't move.
Easy, easy.
The true Asian eat pizza with chopsticks.
轻轻轻轻，我厉害了，哎。
Yeah, that was easy. Put the chopstick back, drink your water.